Good day everyone, this is Gyan here from Earth Haven, and this is a continuation of Earth Insurance. And today I'm going to explain to you what happens when we have our first million. Now you have to understand, on Patreon it works as follows. It's a monthly pledge. So when you have your first million, you have it times 12. I want you to think about it. That's 12 million a year. Alright, $12 million a year. Now, for the Earth, and how big the Earth is, 12 million is nothing. So that's why I say it's our first million. After your first million, we want to move to 10 million, 100 million. Don't be limited by money. Don't see money as something. Don't go, oh, that's too much. Don't go, ooh, you're never going to reach that, because then you're not. Go, yes, we're going to do it, and make your $1 pledge, and then we're doing it. Simple as that. So, if you have your first million, what are you going to do? I want you to do research. In fact, on my previous vlog that I've done about a year and a half ago, I talked about a green millionaire. This is a guy that went and he bought 400,000 acres of forest to preserve it, instead of logging companies buying it and logging it. Simple solutions. He's a millionaire, not a billionaire. You only need a couple of million to do that. Now we will be doing exactly that, but in a bigger and more consistent scale. Then you have other people that you have noticed. You know, there's one guy, an Asian guy, that planted his own forest over a period of 40 years, which now has elephants, tigers, rhinos, all of that, living inside a forest that he planted with his own hands. And in his one video, he talks about he doesn't know what's going to happen to his forest if he has to die, because no one else cares about that forest as much as he does, and he's concerned about conserving it. We will be taking action with $1 million to ensure that that forest and many others like that remains the same and is taken care of. We will get people to go there to support and assist that guy as an example. We will even financially support him. We will find more people that's willing to do the same, to plant forests the same way, that brings in actual wildlife areas that needs rehabilitation. We will be taking action with $1 million a month in all these little things. You've seen these guys that's cleaning the ocean, right? They have boats going around and collecting plastic, but they have to still sell armbands. So they still need to put out a product the whole time. So they're taking plastic out of the ocean and they're putting plastic back into people's hands. Where do you think all those armbands are going to end up? This is just an example. We don't want to do things that way. We want to take the plastic out of the ocean, and we want to find out how can we permanently put this somewhere, or get rid of it, or create it into something that is a long-lasting product that can last 100 years as a road, or as a building, or as building bricks. You know, we want to find more permanent solutions that removes the plastic permanently and doesn't just create a cycle of out of the water into the water in a short-term period. So we will be creating teams to clean up rivers, to clean up oceans. And with $1 million, you can create a lot of teams per month. Remember, 1 million per month. And that's only $1 from each person watching this. 1 million people. There's 7.6 billion people in this world. 1 million people pledging $1 is nothing. 2 million people, 3 million, 100 million people, then we're maybe getting somewhere. But you have to think big, because the Earth is big. You have to be big because the Earth is big. And our first million is where we start. And these examples already exist of what we're going to do, except we're going to do it more efficiently, more consistently. And we're going to keep pressing those points. We're going to keep buying land, rehabilitating land. We're going to keep buying land to preserve land, to protect land from loggers or anyone else that wants to abuse the land. We are going to go take action, legal action, against companies that is destroying our forests. These things are simple and direct points. Besides us setting up sustainable communities globally, that's going to take care of organic food, first of all, implementing sustainable solutions in living for electricity, food, water, housing, and how we utilize the land. And also, within that, buying big patches of land where we're going to be supporting the human with mental and physical disadvantages, obstacles, challenges, and to become more of a self-developed human being within interacting with nature, reconnecting with the earth. So we're going to have facilities all across the world. And with $1 million per month, You can buy tens of thousands of acres of land just in America. And we don't even want to own it. We just want to rent it or have it because we care about the earth, not about what we own or have. So we're not going to go and buy land. If we can't buy land, we rent the land. Or we get the land or get access to the land somehow and we start taking care of the land. And that's what we will be doing. These are but small examples of what's currently here on this earth and what we can act on already with just $1 million. That's how we're creating insurance for Earth. So I want everyone to carefully think about why you need to be part of that 1 million, that first 1 million. And it only takes $1 from you. $1. The effect of $1 is immense when it is concentrated in big numbers. So we need to reach more people to care about the earth, to create insurance for the earth, and to take practical, physical steps to making sure this happens. Thank you very much.